Prem Kumar Dhumal is an Indian politician and was the Bharatiya Janata Party's chief ministerial candidate for the 2017 Himachal Assembly Election, in which he lost his seat. He previously served twice as Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh from March 1998 to March 2003 and again from 1 January 2008 to 25 December 2012. Prem Kumar Dhumal was born on 10 April 1944 in Samarpur village, Hamirpur district. His father's name was Captain Mahan Tram and mother's name Falmu Devi. He has MA and LL.B degrees following his education at Doba College in Jalandhar and Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. He became a lecturer at a private college in Punjab. Dhumal married Sheila on 23 May 1972, with whom he has two sons, Arun Thakur and Anurag Thakur. The latter is also a politician and has been a member of the 14th and 15th Lok Sabhas, as well as Minister of Finance in independent charge. Dhumal became Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha in 1982. In 1984, he was selected as the candidate for the Hamirpur parliamentary constituency when the sitting member of the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly and state stalwart Jagdev Chand refused to stand. Dhumal lost that election, won in 1989 and 1991, and lost the seat to Major General Bikram Singh in 1996. After the sudden death of Jagdev Chand in 1993, Dhumal became active in state politics. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.